Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today we are diving into the world of horchata, a traditional drink from Mexico and Latin America. Horchata is a popular beverage enjoyed throughout Mexico and other parts of Latin America. The main ingredients of horchata are rice, cinnamon, and sugar. Rice is the base of horchata. Rice is soaked and blended to extract its flavor, giving the drink a creamy texture. Cinnamon adds a warm, aromatic flavor that's essential to horchata. Some people add vanilla to enhance the sweetness and aroma of the drink. Evaporated milk is often used to add thickness and creaminess. You can also add some fruit or cacao powder to change the flavor. Today we sweeten our horchata with Koso instead of using white sugar. Koso is a powerhouse of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, amino acids, polyphenols, probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics. This means you are not just getting sweetness, but also a range of beneficial nutrients that support gut health and overall well-being. Making horchata is time-consuming. You need to soak rice overnight, then blend all the ingredients and strain to create a smooth, creamy base. Nowadays, nobody has time, so I created an easy horchata recipe for you. Horchata is often enjoyed cold over ice on a hot summer day in Mexico. It's a perfect refreshment to beat the heat and nourish your body. But today, I'm going to show you a warm version which I found even more heartwarming. It's so easy to make. Add rice milk or milk of your choice and cinnamon stick into a milk pan. Warm up the milk. When you see small bubbles, turn off the heat and leave it for about 5 minutes. Pour into a mug. Make sure it's not too hot. Then add Koso. Horchata sweetened with Koso is not only a delicious beverage, but also a nutritious drink that supports your body from the inside out. So why not give it a try and experience the magic of horchata with Koso for yourself. Thank you for joining us today. See you again soon.